Hi, today let's make tasty tropical mango pineapple salad. It's very simple to make. In a mixing bowl, you need to take in some chopped pineapple, then goes in some chopped mangoes, and then I'm going to add in some sliced onions. Next, I'm adding in some chopped green chilies and chopped spring onions. If you don't want green chilies, you can skip it as well. Next goes in some I'm squeezing in some lemon juice, half lemon juice, and then I'm adding in some basic spices like pepper powder. I'm adding in some salt to taste, and then I'm adding in some chili powder. Next, I'm adding in some olive oil along with soy sauce for that umami taste. Next, you need to toss each and every ingredients really very well so that every piece of the salad is coated very well with the seasoning. The onions are coated, the mangoes, pineapples are coated really very well. Check for the salt at this stage, and then you can add it to a or put it to a serving dish. It's a very refreshing, very simple, very healthy kind of salad, different from the normal which we make with other kind. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.